mga kababayan ko, dapat panoorin nyo yung pelikula na yan dahil totoo po yan. It's pure. It's a pure story. Wala akong kasinungalingan dyan. In fact, kulang pa nga ho yan. And is a homegrown talent. Pure policemen ang mga umakto dyan para ma-portray yung totoong nangyari as much as possible. It may not be perfect as it was and as it were, but we tried and we attempted to do the best way that we could, borrowing the statement of our producer. Hindi yan perfect, but it's the best that we can do for now. Yung iba po ay you see that for yourselves na pinaghirapan mo talaga yung movie na yan. Para sa inyo yan, para malaman niyo, you will support the police well. Na hindi naman kaaway yung mga police po eh. Mga katulong sa for lack of a better term, laganap ng kapayapaan
Peace and order.
sa ating bayan. Kaya ang daming mga questions diyan eh. But you know, one soul of a criminal is too kind to save the 1,000 souls of law-abiding citizens. More so if they are children. Hindi naman pwedeng paloko-loko ka dyan tapos you can just get away with it. No. Hindi pwede yan. Even if it's not written in the revised penal code, but it's written in the divine law. Hindi ka pwedeng paloko-loko dyan, sisingiling ka dyan.
So paglabas po ng sinihan ng isang manonood, ano po ang kanyang takeaway sa pelikula pag napanood niya?
What do you mean?
I mean, ano po ang matututunan niya pag napanood po ng ordinaryong tao ang kwento mo?
Matututunan niya na maraming struggles pala ang pagiging law enforcer. Hindi lang yung nakikita mo dyan, hindi pala ganun. Maraming sakripisyo, not only him but the family also. Pag nagsakripisyo yung isang pulis, magsasacrifice yung family. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, maraming sacrifices dyan to solve cases and to save you. That's all. Yun yung moral lesson dyan eh.